Hi friends, welcome to number one biology channel. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get latest updates. In this video, I will give you respiratory system most important bits for competitive and entrance exams. Question number 1. Which of the following is a respiratory disease? The options are A. Arthritis, B. Emphysema, C. Polio, D. Cancer. The answer is B. Emphysema. Question number 2. Difficulty in breathing causes wheezing due to constriction of bronchi and bronchioles in case of. The options are A. Pneumonia, B. Bronchitis, C. Asthma, D. Emphysema. The answer is C. Asthma. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a COPD? The options are A. Pneumonia, B. Emphysema, C. Bronchitis, D. Asthma. The answer is A. Pneumonia. Question number 4. Lungs do not enclose. The options are A. Bronchi, B. Trachea, C. Bronchioles, D. Alveoli. The answer is B. Trachea. Question number 5. Mark the odd one with respect to respiratory organs. The options are A. Pisces, B. Mammals, C. Reptiles, D. Aves. The answer is A. Pisces. Question number 6. Pharynx opens into trachea through. The options are A. Gullet, B. Syrinx, C. Glottis, D. Alveoli. The answer is C. Glottis. Question number 7. Skin is an accessory organ of respiration in. The options are A. Humans, B. Rabbit, C. Frog, D. Lizard. The answer is C. Frog. Question number 8. Name the chronic respiratory disorder caused mainly by cigarette smoking. The options are A. Respiratory acidosis, B. Asthma, C. Emphysema, D. Respiratory alkalosis. The answer is C. Emphysema. Question number 9. Which of the following disease does not affect the lower respiratory tract? The options are A. Asthma, B. Common cold, C. Bronchitis, D. Emphysema. The answer is B. Common cold. Question number 10. Volume of air remaining in the lungs even after a forcible expiration is. The options are A. EC, B. RV, C. ERV, D. IRV. The answer is B. RV. Question number 11. During inhalation diaphragm, the options are A. Becomes dome shaped, B. Becomes flat, C. Remain unchanged, D. Expands. The answer is B. Becomes flat. Question number 12. In breathing movements, air volumes can be estimated by. The options are A. Stethoscope, B. Hygrometer, C. Sphygmomanometer, D. Spinometer. The answer is D. Spinometer. Question number 13. A person breathes in some volume of air by forced inspiration after having a forced expiration. This quantity of air taken in is. The options are A. Tidal volume, B. Total lung capacity, C. Vital capacity, D. Inspiratory capacity. The answer is C. Vital capacity. Question number 14. Set of respiratory organs used for exchange of gases in terrestrial habitat is. The options are A. Skin and gills, B. Lungs and cnidia, C. Gills and trachea, D. Trachea and lungs. The answer is D. Trachea and lungs. Question number 15. Trachea divides into bronchi at the level of. The options are A. Axis, B. Third cervical vertebra, C. Fifth thoracic vertebra, D. Atlas. The answer is C. Fifth thoracic vertebra. Question number 16. Identify the parts of respiratory tract without C-shaped cartilages. The options are A. Primary bronchi, B. Secondary bronchi, C. Tracheae, D. Terminal bronchioles. The answer is D. Terminal bronchioles. Question number 17. Open circulatory system which does not participate in the transport of oxygen occurs in. The options are A. Echinodermata, B. Vertebrata, C. Annelida, D. Arthropoda. The answer is D. Arthropoda. Question number 18. Lungs are enclosed in. The options are A. Pericardium, B. Periosteum, C. Pleural membranes, D. Pericardium. The answer is C. Pleural membranes. Question number 19. In a normal healthy individual, the volume of air remaining in the lungs even after forcible expiration is about. The options are A. 500 ml, B. 1200 ml, C. 2000 ml, D. 3000 ml. The answer is B. 1200 ml. Question number 20. Vital capacity does not include. The options are A. Inspiratory reserve volume, B. Residual volume, C. Expiratory reserve volume, D. Tidal volume. The answer is B. Residual volume. Question number 21. On an average, a healthy human breathes how many times per hour? The options are A. 720 to 960 times, B. 12 to 16 times, C. 4 to 5 times, D. 120 to 160 times. The answer is A. 720 to 960 times. Question number 22. Amount of air expelled from the lungs during the quiet breathing per 1 minute is. The options are A. 6000 to 8000 ml, B. 500 ml, C. 1000 to 1100 ml, D. 2500 to 3000 ml. The answer is A. 6000 to 8000 ml. Question number 23. Volume of air either inspired or expired during normal respiration is. The options are A. Tidal volume, B. Inspiratory capacity, C. Inspiratory reserve volume, D. Vital capacity. The answer is A. Tidal volume. Question number 24. Maximum volume of air a person can breathe in after a forced expiration is. The options are A. Total lung capacity, B. Vital capacity, C. Inspiratory capacity, D. Expiratory capacity. The answer is B. Vital capacity. Question number 25. The rate of diffusion of respiratory gases is affected by. The options are A. Solubility of the gas, B. Diffusion distance, C. Pressure gradient of the gases, D. All the above. The answer is D. All the above. Number 26. Primary site of pulmonary gas exchange is. The options are A. Alveoli, B. Larynx, C. Trachea, D. Bronchi. The answer is A. Alveoli. Question number 27. Identify the incorrect match about lung volume. The options are A. TV 500 ml, B. IRV 3000 ml, C. ERV 1100 ml, D. RV 2000 ml. The answer is D. RV 2000 ml. Question number 28. Partial pressure of oxygen in alveoli is. The options are A. 45 mmHg, B. 50 mmHg, C. 59 mmHg, D. 104 mmHg? The answer is D. 104 mmHg. Question number 29. Correct one of the following regarding partial pressure of oxygen and carbon dioxide in systemic vein respectively is. The options are A. 40 and 45, B. 104 and 40, C. 95 and 40, D. 100 and 140. The answer is A. 40 and 45. Question number 30. Which vertebrate organ receives only oxygenated blood? The options are A. Spleen, B. Liver, C. Gill, D. Lung. The answer is A. Spleen. Question number 31. Every 100 ml of oxygenated blood delivers approximately. The options are A. 4 ml of oxygen to the alveoli, B. 4 ml of carbon dioxide to the alveoli, C. 5 ml of carbon dioxide to the tissues, D. 5 ml of oxygen to the tissues. The answer is D. 5 ml of oxygen to the tissues. Question number 32. Percentage of oxygen transported from lungs to the tissues through RBC is. The options are A. 56, B. 75, C. 97, D. 67. The answer is C. 97. Question number 33. Carbonic anhydrase is present in very high concentration in. The options are A. RBC, B. Muscular tissue, C. Epithelial tissue, D. Plasma. The answer is A. RBC. Question number 34. Respiration is controlled by. The options are A. Cerebrum, B. Hypothalamus, C. Cerebellum, D. Medulla oblongata. The answer is D. Medulla oblongata. Question number 35. Which of the following favors dissociation of HbO2? The options are A. Low temperature, B. High pH, C. Lower pCO2, D. High H+. The answer is D. High H+. Question number 36. Respiratory rhythm center is present in. The options are A. Cerebellum, B. Medulla, C. Pons, D. Cerebrum. The answer is B. Medulla. Question number 37. Cigarette smoking increases the risk of. The options are A. SARS, B. Jaundice, C. Emphysema, D. Pneumonia. The answer is C. Emphysema. Question number 38. Carbonic anhydrase helps in the formation of. The options are A. Carbonic acid, B. Oxyhemoglobin, C. Carbaminohemoglobin, D. More O2. The answer is A. Carbonic acid. Question number 39. Much of carbon dioxide is transported by the blood as. The options are A. Bicarbonate, B. Dissolved in plasma, C. Carbonate, D. Attached to hemoglobin. The answer is A. Bicarbonate. Question number 40. Hemoglobin acts as a buffer due to the presence of. The options are A. Histidine, B. Lysine, C. Aspartic acid, D. Glutamine. The answer is A. Histidine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.